Hi, I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food.
For today's video, we're going to make chicken a la king with pastry case. We need 2/3 cup margarine or butter, 1 egg yolk, 4 to 5 tablespoons of cold water, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, silicone brush, plastic dough scraper and cutter, cookie cutter, measuring cup and spoon, cupcake baking tray, rolling pin, wax paper. Combine the flour and the diced cold butter, one butter at a time. You may mix it on your countertop. When it is well incorporated, add cold water 1 tablespoon at a time. This may vary how much you need. You will get different texture of dough because of the temperature of your kitchen, your palm, or your machine. Knead it until you need to have a texture of newly opened clay toy to be exact. Form it into a ball. Put a wax paper on the top or even sometimes bottom of your countertop before rolling the dough with a rolling pin. You may cut it with cookie cutter, pastry cutter, or a knife. Sizes may vary according to what you like. Put your pastry dough in a greased cupcake baking pan. Preheat the oven. Bake for 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Out in the oven, brush it with egg yolk. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Then bake it again for 5 minutes. After baking, put it on a cooling tray. For pimiento substitute, we need red bell peppers, cold water, and boiling water. Boil the red bell peppers until soft and tender. After boiling, put it in a cold water. Peel the red bell peppers, minced it, and set it aside. For chicken a la king, we need 300 grams diced chicken fillet, 1/4 cup pimiento substitute, half a cup mushroom, half a cup green peas, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 chicken cube, 2 tablespoons butter for sauteing, and 2 tablespoons butter for roux, half a cup all-purpose cream, half a cup of milk, dash of salt, dash of white pepper, dash of oregano powder, half a cup water, measuring spoon and cup, turner, and a pan. To make a roux, you need 2 tablespoons butter and 2 tablespoons flour. Put the flour when the butter is half melted. Add the all-purpose flour, remove it from the pan. On the same pan, add the butter. Sauté the garlic. Add the diced chicken. Add the chicken cube. Add the water. Deglazing is removing and dissolving food residue from a pan to add flavor to your sauce. Add salt, white pepper, and oregano powder. Add minced bell pepper, let it boil and simmer for 15 minutes or until your chicken meat is fork tender. Add the frozen green peas, add mushrooms, add the roux, add the milk, add the all-purpose cream, and simmer for 5 minutes. Assemble chicken a la king on a pastry case before serving. Our finished product, chicken a la king with pastry case.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majimbo Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.